And welcome for the first time to Rectroid. Today I'll be uploading or sharing with you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. This device has been released in December of 2021, and this is promising to be one of the most sell phones by 2022. And it's going to be the phone or the most basic model from Samsung during 2022. It is the first time that I'm uploading a video in English. Most of the videos, or well, all the videos that I have on this channel, it's in Spanish, but I do speak a little bit of English, so I decided to bring up this phone because there are not that many unboxings or videos about this phone, so we can see what's coming on the box, and as well we can see if this phone it's convenient to purchase or not. So the first thing that you will notice is the picture of the phone itself. The phone price it's $110 here in El Salvador, but the price range it's about $100, $110. And well, the phone it's brand new, but they have to open it because they have to activate the SIM card. And as you can see, this is what Samsung decided to bring, Samsung Galaxy A03 Core, and they decided to highlight an Infinity V display, the camera, the battery. We don't have nothing else to show here, nothing. And here on the box we only have the name of the phone. I'm going to be removing the sticker, and here we have the phone. It's completely made on plastic, nothing premium, but what I can tell you is that the phone feels very good on the hand. It gives you the feeling that it's a phone that you can carry on, and it feels solid. That's the what I can describe, that it feels solid. And as well we can see some details from Samsung, the brand. We can see the flash LED, the big camera, which is a 13 megapixel, and we can notice that it's made on plastic by listening to this. And it's interesting that it has two different type of plastics. We can see here that it's like full plastic, and we have some lines here which it's interesting, and we have the big 6.5 inches display, which is massive. I have been trying this phone during the last couple of days, and I can tell you that it's amazing. It's one of the most I only review basic phones on this channel, basic phones and phones that are sold in the Salvadorian market, which are models extremely basic, 1 gig of RAM. I do as well B Mobiles, which is a brand from El Salvador, Central America, and some countries in South America. So for me, this is a big phone. For the specs, it's a processor that I have tried on some other devices. So I'm really glad to see that Samsung stopped using the MediaTek that they use on the Samsung Galaxy A02, and they decided to bring up this Unisoc, which is a processor that we can trust, that it's capable of running a lot of games, and even with medium or high-end graphics. I have tried Free Fire Max and Call of Duty Mobile. Let me know if you want me to share a test of video games, and as well so we can share how many points do we get on a benchmark. So let me know in the comments what type of test would you like us to perform this phone. And I'm getting lost on this, but we don't have any cover. That's incredible for a phone like this. It's more than $100 with no cover. So well, that's interesting. No cover for this. And we only have the charger, which I'll be taking up, and you can let me know. Let me get closer to this. It's a 5 volts 1.55 amps, which is interesting. We cannot say that it's a slow charge, but it's not considered a fast charging as well. And we have the micro USB cable to USB type A. Nothing to surprise, it's basic phone. What surprised me as well is that we don't have headphones here. I do have a ZTE Blade 831 Lite, which have the headphones, and it's only $55, so it's half of the price. But well, that's what we get on basic phones. We don't get everything, and a lot of people will tell me that iPhones or even Samsung S21, they don't have charger, they don't have headphones, it's only the phone. So at the end, I'm glad to see that we still have the charger, and as well we can see that we have the the key for the SIM card, which is great. So basically that's all that it's coming on the phone, and what I can tell you, I'm going to put the box in order again. It is the first time, as I mentioned to you, that I'm uploading something in English, so please give me suggestions or feedback on how to improve the quality of the videos. And I have been trying this phone for almost 2 days now. I have played some video games like Call of Duty, like Free Fire Max, and I had an amazing experience. I even tried Free Fire Max on high-end graphics, and Call of Duty Mobile was running on low graphics, but I was able to have a smooth experience and to play the video games with no problem at all. And as well, I was trying the social media, browsing on the internet, watching videos in YouTube, and at the moment I don't have any complaints, and I will keep trying this phone to see how it performs, how it goes. And if you like me, I will upload more videos about this phone. Let me know in the comments what type of video games would you like me to share, so we can see how this phone goes, and if it's going to be, like Samsung is promising, a major sell success during 2022, or it's going to be one more phone in the market. So, well, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Please let me know what are your thoughts about this phone. And let me know as well what I can improve on this type of videos, and as well what type of games or applications would you like me to try. Oh my god, and I'm forgetting something. I already took some pictures with this phone. We have a 13 megapixel camera on this phone, but I'm surprised on the quality of the video on the pictures that we have. Oh my god, it looks awesome. It looks real, the colors, and as well as you can see on the sky, the pictures on this phone are impressive considering the price again, and that we only have one. But at least I'd rather to have only one sensor instead of having two, and one of them it's going to be fake. So it seems that Samsung realized that putting two sensors on this phone, and one of them it's going to be a deep sensor, and at the end it's going to be useless. And as you can see, we are able to see very good quality photos over here. As you can see, the grass, it looks real. Let me know if you want me to upload these videos on a file. I'll go ahead and do it as well, so you can see the quality. And well, basically that's all that I wanted to share with you guys. Please let me know what type of games or applications would you like me to try, and the benchmark as well, so we can see how many points do we get on this phone. So well, this is what I wanted to share with you, and see you the next time. Bye bye.